Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you have been requesting me that I should make correct forms of workouts, and this is a much requested video. So here's a video on correct form of exercises. And as you would have already noticed, I am in Gurgaon at the beautiful Rufford gym. They've been kind enough to let us use their space. So let's go and check out the correct forms of workout. Starting with squats. Now, the number one mistake you can make while doing squats is letting your knees come over your ankles or knees come over your toes. And in this way, if you're doing it, you're really damaging your knees. So don't make that mistake. Second mistake most people make is not engaging their spine enough. So their spine is in an odd curve and they are going down and squatting, especially when they're doing weighted. Now, the correct form of squat is when you imagine that your chest is up and it's as if it's connected to the ceiling. You go down, you don't let your knees come over your toes, and you keep your core tight. You go all the way down and up. Notice that there is no angle particular where you have to go down. You don't have to do ass to grass always. Even a half squat is okay as long as you are doing it in the right form. Next up is lunges. Now, again, the same mistake most people make while doing lunges is getting their knees come over their toes, and that is very, very bad for your knees. So, second mistake most people make is lunging not wide enough. If your stance is too close, then that's also not very good and not very effective. So make sure that you balance it out and you figure out where your exact stance is. If you're too wide, of course, then also you lose your balance. Your knee is almost at a 90-degree angle. That's going to be a very safe option for you. So if you have a 90-degree angle and you notice, you go all the way down and up with 90-degree angles. Very effective for your glutes. Similarly, if you're a fan of curtsy lunges, you can notice again 90-degree works perfect for every direction of your lunge. So remember, 90-degree on the front leg, approximately 90, a little over that on the back leg. You should be good to go. And you notice you go all the way down and up with 90-degree angles. Next up is deadlifts, and other exercise people make a lot of mistakes in. The worst mistake you can make is curling your back while lifting the weights. This is like the absolute worst mistake. You need to keep your back absolutely in one line and straight while doing that. Another very common mistake I see most people doing is looking forward when going down. Now, this puts a lot of pressure on the cervical region of your spine, and it's completely not required. Another mistake you can make is not holding the bar close to your shin enough and not engaging your glutes enough. So, I have seen a lot of people make this mistake of hyperextending the back. They think it's going to add extra strength to your lower back and glutes, but that doesn't happen. So, picking up the weight from the dead, from the neutral, keeping your spine straight, engaging those glutes, keeping your chin down, and lifting the weight up, holding your core tight, and dropping it straight back, feeling it in your glutes and your lower back. That's going to be the correct form of doing the deadlift. I hope you like this video. If there are any more videos that you want us to make, you can request us at this email ID. Do give it a thumbs up, do share it with anyone you think it would be useful for, and do subscribe to our channel, and we shall see you next time.